Arulmigu Dandayudapani Swami Temple is first of the 6 abodes of Murugan, Arupadai Vidugal. It is located in the city of Palani. Earlier it was known as Thiruavinangudi in Dindugal district, Tamil Nadu. Palani temple is considered synonymous with Panjamridam, a sweet mixture made of 5 ingredients. As per legendary beliefs, sage Narada visited the celestial court of Shiva at Mount Kailash to present to him a fruit, the Jnana Padam, literally the fruit of knowledge. He decided to award it to whichever of his 2 sons who first encircled the world thrice. Accepting the challenge, Murugan started his journey around the globe on his Mount Peacock. However, Ganesha, who surmised that the world was no more than his parents, Shiva and Shakti combined, circumambulated them and won the fruit. Murugan was furious and felt the need to get matured from boyhood and hence chose to remain as a hermit in Palani. The idol of the Muruga in Palani was created and consecrated by sage Bogar, one of Hinduism's 18 great siddhas, out of an amalgam of 9 poisonous herbs or Navapashana. Other than the steps and sliding elephant way, there is a winch and rope car service used for transportation of devotees uphill. As per another legend, once all sages and gods assembled in Kailash, the abode of Shiva, it resulted in the tilting of earth towards one direction. Shiva asked sage Agastya to move towards the south to balance the tilt. Agastya employed a demon by name Etumba to carry 2 hills in his shoulders to be placed in the south. The demon carried the hills down south and rested in a place. When he tried to lift one of the hills, it didn't budge, and he found a young man standing at the top of the hill, not allowing it to be moved. The demon tried to attack the young man but was defeated. Sage Agastya identified the young man as Murugan and asked him to pardon the demon. Murugan readily did so and let the hill remain there at Palani. It is a practice followed in the modern times where people carry milk in both their shoulders as a devotion to please the Lord. The demon carried the other hill to Swami Malai, which is another of the 6 abodes of Lord Murugan. The deity, after centuries of worship, fell into neglect and was suffered to be engulfed by the forest. One night, Perumal, a king of the Chera dynasties, who controlled the area between the 2nd and 5th centuries AD, wandered from his hunting party and was forced to take refuge at the foot of the hill. Lord Subramanian appeared to him in a dream and ordered him to restore the idol to its former state. The king commenced a search for the idol and, finding it, constructed the temple that now houses it and reinstituted its worship. This is commemorated by a small stela at the foot of the staircase that winds up the hill. The most common form of worship at the temple is the Abhishekam, anointment of the idol with oils, sandalwood paste, milk, unguents and the like, and then bathing it with water in an act of ritual purification. The most prominent Abhishekams are conducted at the ceremonies to mark the hours of the day. One of the main traditions of the temple is the tonsuring of devotees who vow to discard their hair in imitation of the Lord of Palani. Another is the anointing of the head of the presiding deity's idol with sandalwood paste at night prior to the temple being closed for the day. The paste, upon being allowed to stay overnight, is said to acquire medicinal properties and is much sought after and distributed to devotees as Rakala Chandanam. Traditionally, the hill temple of Palani is supposed to be closed in the afternoon and rather early in the evening to permit the deity to have adequate sleep, being but a child and therefore easily tired by the throngs of devotees. A tradition that is not very well known is that of the Palli Arai or bedroom wherein each night the Lord is informed of the status of the temple's accounts for the day by the custodians of the temple, and then put to sleep to the singing of an oduvar or bard. Devotees carry kavadi, an ornamental mount decked with flowers, glazed paper and tinsel work, and wearing ochre clothes, themselves on foot from long distances, is a commonly followed worship practice. Panchamridam mixture of 5 is believed to be a divine mix prepared by Vinayagar at the end of the divine encounter. He mixed honey, dates, banana, raisins and jaggery and distributed it to Shiva Kartikeya. The practice is followed in modern times where the devotees are provided Panchamridam as a prasada. Hara Haro Hara Hara.